Okay, today I'm going to work the problems from Quiz 20, Pre-Algebra Quiz 20, and the largest number of people missed number 1 and number 5, but I'm going to show you how to work each one. Number 1 has 12 and 18 as your key numbers. I suggested a ratio box, and so on a ratio box your percent is 100 to start with, and you go up or down from there. So we put last year here, and then we increased, and this year we have 18. Okay, so in numbers, 12 plus 6 gives us 8 numbers, but over here we want to know the percent of increase. Now we don't want to know the total, that would be the bottom line, so this is where our x goes. So we set it up as 100 is to x, as 12 is to 6. You may already see the answer, but if you don't, it would be 12x equals 6 times 100, and divide by 12, and that goes 50 times, and so the answer is an increase of 50%. Now on number 2, it says x is greater than -3, so this is equal. This is equal, so it can't be A and it can't be B. So where are numbers where x is greater than -3? That would be D. Not at -3, but all the numbers -2, -1, 0, and so forth are bigger than -3. On number 3, you might have gone for answer A, because 2 times 8 is 16, and -2 power and +5 power is 10 to the third, but that's not in scientific notation. And so you would need to convert 16 into 1.6 times 10 to the first, and then put your powers together. 10 to the first and 10 to the third gives you 10 to the fourth, and 1.6 times 10 to the fourth is your right answer. Now number 4, you have an equation, WP times 16.8 equals 42. You would divide by 16.8 on both sides, and that's a weird looking division. I probably wouldn't do that. I would probably reduce. I reduce that to 21 and 8.4, and actually these will both divide by 3, and that's 7. I'm sorry, no, 7. And 8.4 divided by 3 is 2.8. And so then I would do the division, 7 divided by 2.8, and when you do that, it comes out to be 25. And the answer is 250%. On the last one, you may have, your signs may have messed you up. You've got a negative, the opposite of a +2, and you got to subtract, and inside here you've got the opposite of -2, and here you've got a subtract sign, and then you've got the opposite of +9. So this would be -2, keep that same minus sign. This would be +2, minus a minus, keep that same minus sign right there, and this would be a -9. And so this would be a +9 and a -4, and your answer is B, +5.